Okay. Third time's the charm? I think this is the third time. Yeah, we'll use copyrighted music, because who cares? I don't plan to make money off of this anyways. Okay. Porting cosmetics for the TF2 Trifecta. This is being live streamed because I don't care to record it and then cut it up into bits and then upload it. I'm on a bit of a time crunch, so let's get things finished as soon as possible. This video is meant for my staff of the TF2 Blender community, but maybe you're a newcomer trying to do the same stuff that I did, in which case hopefully you're able to follow along. Few prerequisites that you need. So first of all, SourceIO. SourceIO is what is used to port all the cosmetics, but you need to use a specific version that I wrote specifically for porting the cosmetics in this new way. You can find this version by going to the TF2 Cosmetics folder, going into this folder, and here you have the SourceIO version. You can extract that into your add-ons directory. Oh, by the way, use Blender 4.1 to maximize functionality. Anyways, get the SourceIO version. If you have a pre-existing folder, you can rename it to something else, and then extract this specific version. But in this case, I already have that specific version installed. Second of all, you need Node.js. So if I type in Node, I enter Node. The reason you need this is because we have to convert specific files into JSON files within TF2. This being the item schema and the token name tokens. I don't know what they're called. So let's make those files right now. We will start with the item schema. Delete that from previous attempts. How can we... You know what? We will copy this. I'm going to make a folder. Okay. I'm going to make a folder specifically for these two files, so I don't have to type the path. Yeah, the path can be shortened. Resource TF English. You could use another language if you want. I don't know why you would. Okay. I think actually we can call Node. Wow. Node. No, sorry. We have to install the... We have to install what Node.js needs to use to make these JSON files, so we will copy this code. Okay, now we can use Node. It's installed. Yeah. We can do... You know what? No, I don't know how to import stuff. Okay. Then we do const schema equal. I don't use Node.js, by the way. I'm a Python coder. File. Oh, meant to import deserializeFile. Const schema equals deserializeFile. Maybe we can do, because I called CMD in this folder, maybe I can, I got the wrong file. Because I called Node.js in that folder, maybe I can just write the file names without having to write the path. So we do items game.txt. Schema, yes. Then we can do const fs. Where do you have fs? Fs of write file sync. Yeah, okay. Okay, we do fs.write file sync. We will do items game json.json and json.stringify schema. And there we go. We made, give it a minute. We have converted this TXT file into a JSON file. Now we just have to do that for the tokens. So go back up. Const tokens equals deserializeFile tf_english.txt. Right, we have to read it in a specific codec. Is that the right word? UTF-16LE. Let? Do we do let in this case? No? var tokens? Yeah, whatever. Const tokens too, why not? Okay. Then fs.write file sync tf_english json.json json.stringify tokens too. I'm a little slow. And then we have the tokens as a JSON file. Perfect. Copy this path. Let's see, what else do we need? We need to prepare the TF2 cosmetics. So let's do that. Okay. If you're reporting everything again for some reason, then what you would do is you would extract player items and all relevant folders, I guess. Player items, or files, I mean, all relevant files. We extract player items. We extract weapons, workshop, player items, and workshop partner player items. Extract those three folders with respect to the original file structure. In my case, when I extracted all the MDL files, I kept the folder structures. I'm tripping up on my words. I kept player items, I kept weapons, workshop player items, and weapons, workshop partner player items. What if instead you just want to port over the new... Sorry, I'm so tired. What if instead you just wanted to port the cosmetics released in a new update? Well, you would go to workshop, player items, and enter a class folder, then look for DEC. I guess at the time of recording, the next update would be DEC 24. So you would extract. Yes, you would extract all folders beginning with DEC 24 with respect to how they are set up. Sorry, with respect to the original file structure. When I ported the Halloween cosmetics for 2024, I kept the original file structure, but I just extracted the HWN 2024 cosmetics. Keep the folder structure. I can't clarify how important that is enough. You know what I mean. I'm very tired. In this example, I'm just going to use the Halloween cosmetics. So I have the Halloween cosmetics prepared. Now we can open template.blend, which you can also find alongside the SourceIO version. This is the script that handles all the porting, all the material optimizations. It's very nice. Before I set it up, cool voice crack. Before I show you how to set this up, I just want to marvel at this huge for loop. What is that, over 100 characters in size? This handles formatting the names to the path of the MDL files. It sets up the... how do I say? It makes a dictionary where the key is an MDL folder's path. The key is an MDL files path, and the value is a dictionary with its name, its style, its class. So much. It's all if statements. Okay. So we can start by setting these two variables, item schema and item names. So go to the folder where you left the item schema and tokens JSON files, and just set their paths. TF2 JSONs, T-drive TF2 JSONs, items game JSON. Items game JSON.json. And then we can do TF English JSON.json. Then down here, you can set different parameters for porting. You can choose to enable overwrite, which does what it thinks you would do. Which does what you expect it to do. You can enable all class in case you are porting all class cosmetics. This is... enabling that flag is what allows you to it allows you to have the class's name at the end of a cosmetic. So make sure you have all class set to true if you are porting all class cosmetics. Then you set the path where your cosmetics are. This path, the folder that this path leads to should have a models folder directly under it, housing all the MDL files. So I set my HWN 2024 folder. We can choose to port all class, and we have the search path set up. So if I save this, you can just copy and paste the file wherever you want, but if you're going to do save as, do it like I did. We should be ready to port, but we have to do one last thing. Add your TF folder as a mounted resource. Takes a while, doesn't it? Okay. Then we can save this and port all of the all-class cosmetics. That was fast. What happened? 496? Oh, that's right. Oh, shoot. No! It lost the link to the, That's fine. Maybe that'll happen to you. I'll show you how to fix that. It lost the link to resources. We have to link the resources node group. Link. And just to make sure it is kept by the file, we can do cscene resources equals bpy.data.node groups or d.node groups resources. Now it's kept. Now we can save it and start porting. This is normal. This is how it arranges the nodes. Is it done? Okay. Uh-oh, we have some missing materials. Is that like that with the official fleet commander? It's not even ported. That's not good. Huh. Fleet, it would be an all class 4. I guess not. Have these been ported? Duality of... No, they have... Oops. Okay, well, I guess I have something to do. I guess... Well, that's how you port it. That's how you port stuff. One last honorable mention is the tag data scene. It has two custom properties, a drive ID, so you can update it through the TF2 Trifecta, and a tag. So if this were all class, we would leave this all class. And the tag is what is used to the left here. Anyways. That's how you port cosmetics. I don't think that's too difficult. I did make it take longer. Hopefully you're patient. You shouldn't have to do this so often. I think you can stop watching the video here, but apparently I did not update the all class folder, the all class file with the 2024 Halloween cosmetics. So you can watch me do that if you wish. Duality, oh, it is here. Is it just not scanned? Fleet Commander. Yeah. Okay. Weird. Okay, I have nothing to do then. I guess I could try to figure out why the materials weren't being ported. Just in case you have that issue too. Baby, where are you? Okay. Maybe the problem was that the VPK archives weren't the first priority. I don't know. I don't know how this works with SourceIO. This version specifically. Let's try running it. Material not found. Weird. Okay. Let's open SourceIO and I guess try to see where that error is getting spat out. Or was it just material not found, right? Well, that's annoying. Annoying. Material not found. Why can't I find that? Oh, okay, that's why. If material path is none, okay. What, like within the QC file? This is confusing. If material path is none, maybe let's... Oh, you know what it might be? Let's remove everything except the dir archives. Let's just leave TF2... just leave those two. Force it to search through the VPK archives. No, it's not working. Okay. Never mind. Maybe I have to restart Blender. I don't know. weird. None type. Ah, what? Okay. Maybe we have to add our folder in which we have placed the cosmetics. In which case it would be HWN 2024. And not models. Okay. Save that. There we go. Nope. Oh man, that's so cool. What's going on then? This is worrying. Huh. Maybe you'll have to extract the VMT files. Too. But you shouldn't have to. This should just work. But it doesn't. What's weirder is that I'm not getting the model cannot be found error. Mm-hmm. Content manager. This might be screwed. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. What if the latest version of SourceIO worked? It's worth trying. I would have to update the template file though. Hold on. Would it be because I have TF2 Blender open? Would that impose some sort of writing or reading lock? I know it does when I update TF2. I don't imagine it would though. No, that's not the issue. It's just those materials that aren't getting ported. That's really weird. Okay. Let's try using the version of SourceIO that is packaged with the SCBC porting tools. No. The only issue with that... The only issue with that is that this version, the version that is packaged with SourceIO, it requires specific node groups. That's not fun. Oh man, that's really not fun. You know what? No. If you extract the VMT files that the Cosmetics use with respect to the file structure stemming from models, you should be fine. Whether you put them in the same folder as the Cosmetics where you extracted them, or you put it under the TF folder, it should work. Is it as easy to find as I expect? Yes, it is. So, I guess you just have more to extract. Should be fine. Hopefully you won't run into any issues. Bye.